What's up, you guys? I wanted to come on and show you how I pineapple my long hair. First things first, if it looks like I'm just promoting Levi's in my videos, I swear I'm not. I'm just filming all of my videos in the same block of time. So I just haven't changed my clothes. Anyway, so I want to show you how I pineapple my long hair. I think that for longer hair, it can be a little bit different. Just because the weight of your hair pulling back on your head can be really uncomfortable if it's set too close to the front, which most people pineapple as close to the front as they can to keep their hair up and off of their pillow. But doing that, actually, when you're laying back, if the pillow's here, all of the weight of your hair is pulling back and it can be really uncomfortable. It just kind of like makes my head hurt a little bit here and on the crown just from the weight. So I set it back a little bit further, and I have two ways that you can do this, so I'll show you. The first one, flip all your hair forward, get it pretty much on top of your head, about right there, and do a small loop. This is going to leave a lot of hair closer to your face, but the weight of this is much lighter, and you can kind of move this around for whatever way you sleep. If you sleep on one particular side, you can kind of brush your hair over to one side, to the other. If you sleep face down, well, I'm sorry, I can't help you. Maybe reverse the pineapple. But yeah, so that's one way. This is my preferred method. It takes the most weight of my hair, brings it forward, preserving all of these curls in the front. I am mostly a back sleeper, so this works great. And I also sleep on my right side, so it's easy for me just to kind of push my hair out of the way when I'm sleeping. Also, what's nice is because the bend is so high up in my hair still, if I do have any flattening of my curls or my waves, they're still really close to the top. If you've been following me for any amount of time, you know that I don't mind my roots being smoothed down. I do tug a wide tooth comb through my hair after I've scrunched out the crunch just to kind of help give it a smoother look. So that's one option. The second one involves using these little claw clips. I have these available on my Amazon list, linked in my Instagram bio. They're just the small size goodie claws. You can buy them at CVS, Walgreens, any drugstore, any department store that has a hair aisle has these. I'm sure the grocery store has them. So this one, same thing. Get it to about on top of your head. And you're gonna make a bigger loop if you don't want your hair on your face. Now this, as you can see, it's not that comfortable. And doing this, all of the weight now is distributed up here. So laying flat on a pillow, it's pulling backward and it's really uncomfortable right here. I have lots of little baby hairs in here and it's just the tugging, it doesn't feel good. So what I do is anchor it. I use a goodie claw, and then I just take a section of it and I clip it. I don't know if you can see it, if I'm getting it. Just clip it down. And then that anchors it down onto my scalp a little bit more and takes the weight off, so it's not flopping around or pulling on my hair. So those are the two ways that I pineapple. As I mentioned, my preference is the first, is to pineapple it with a smaller loop and just have my hair mostly toward my face. So yeah, that's it. If you're curious, also this scrunchie is from Little Fancies UK. It's just a little Etsy shop, small business. So if you're into supporting small businesses, she hand makes these and they're adorable. I love this color. All right, any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.